Hi everyone, in front of me is Audio Pro C20 and today I will show you how to switch to your speaker preset in your app and from your speaker. Let's get started. At first we have to power up our device. Now we have to go to our app, click on the device settings and click speaker preset. As you can see, there is 5 presets that we don't have, but on our speaker there is 6 buttons. We can click first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. This is our presets on your speaker and in your app. Hope it helps. That's it for today. Like and subscribe for more these videos, and goodbye.